Hey there everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. And today's video is all about how to download the Globus Bank app. Let's get started. Grab your phone or tablet and open your App Store. Depending on your device, it will either be the Google Play Store or the App Store. In the search bar at the top, type in Globus Bank. You should see the official Globus Bank app appear. Just hit install or get depending on your device. The app will download and install automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds or some minutes. Once the download is complete, tap on Open to launch the app. And that's it, you have downloaded and launched the Globus Bank app. Now you can explore all the features it has to offer and enjoy the convenience of mobile banking. If you have any question or run into any trouble, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.